YouTubers, let's compare battery chargers. First, let's have a look at this one here. That one's a Carlalis. It's good, but it only charges. And if you know anything about these batteries, we need to know what the value is when they discharge. I had one of these 18650s charge with the milliamps. It said as high as 4,800, still going. Obviously, it's a high resistance. A lot of power's been burnt in that resistance. So it's good enough if you just want to charge it, but you want to know what the value is on a discharge, which is more accurate. So I bought a few of these. Litho Color. This being a good unit, I've tested some batteries now, but if you have a look at the screen, when there's no batteries in it, no. Now this one here is the first one I bought, I believe, and first of all, the spring is not retracting properly. But if you have a look at number 4, bank 4, it still says end with the voltage, no milliamp. It should be cleared like the other ones, and the other ones should be cleared, but it's not. So anyone got any suggestions? Do I have to open them up to find a reset button in there, or I don't know. Anyway, so this one here, I've been lucky to do 260 batteries, and it is playing up. If you can hear, which I doubt it, it's got a humming noise, but also if you leave it long enough, the screen will flicker, and I don't think it's safe anymore. So when you are stripping down all your batteries and you're testing them, sometimes you get some values that are low, like this one here. That one actually measures, let me try and do this one hand, measures at 1.57 volts. If you put that in the charger, this one here shows it well, it would actually pick it up as a NiCad, which would charge only to the NiCad value. What is it, 1.8 volts, I'm not sure. So what you can do is, there we go, 1.93 full. What you can do is take a battery pack, the only survivor of the first video I made, put this in here in parallel, boost a bit of voltage into it, and then let's check it and see what the value is now. Let's try this one hand again. There's 2.6 volts. Just that few seconds there would be enough to put enough into it. I'm put it back in charge. Look at that. Hard to see. It says lithium battery, so now it will charge up. There it goes. Now it's going to climb. So that's what you can do when you've got cells below the value of lithiums. Use a battery bank that works well. Doesn't have to be a bank. It can just be a good cell that's charged, but this you don't have to worry about charging it for a long time. Anyway, so as far as recommending, out of these two anyway, the Litho Color is the one you need, so you know the exact value on a discharge when you test batteries. This is good, still can use it to charge them up, get them ready to be discharged, because this will charge it first and then it goes through the discharge process. So anyway, put them in like that, change from charge to normal test, and always 1 amp is always recommended. So when that sets, about 8 seconds, the voltage will rise, start charging it. When it's fully charged, you'll start counting the milliamps when it's being discharged. Anyway, any questions, any queries, anything I'm doing wrong or could do better, please drop comments, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.